Now we are doing part B and it's almost done. This is beautiful, isn't it? So we say CH3CH, then Br, then CH2, then C, then OH2, then CH3, like this, right? Let's put this, want to give it a name. So we have to just put the carbon connected to this carbon. And since this carbon doesn't, you see the carbons that are inside should be CH2. If you see it's being a CH, definitely is the one that Br is connected to. So Br is connected here. Then we can put this one as a CH2, so it's normal. Then this one, you see it's a C, then it has nothing. So it definitely should have two things connected that are not hydrogens. This one we know it's a CH2, so it's a CH2, right? But then this one is the one with the two OHs because it has no hydrogen whatsoever. Then this is the CH3, which is the one at the end. Okay, so here we go. And that is how easy this is. So this is CHBr, then here is our CH3, the first one. All right, so what is this thing now? What name do we give to this thing? So now we have to name this. So it's still like that when we were dealing with our benzene ring where we had our Heckner, right? We know that we know this is Heckner. We know that halogens had higher priority than alkanes, but we know that the OH has higher priority than halogens, right? So that is what we are going to do. Because when we actually talk about functional groups, not just on benzene, but when you talk about functional groups, you should know that the halides are actually down there below everybody, down at the bottom. So halides is the lowest thing. So of course, we'll give priority to the OH. Now, anyway, because we would have said this is on position 2 and OH is again on position 2. So obviously the OH would take the priority. So this is 1, 2, then 3, then 4. So this is going to be, when we label, it is going to be 4-bromo, then you say 2,2-diol, okay? 2,2-diol. So 2,2, and you say now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pentane diol, okay? So it's pentane diol. So that is what it is. So it's pentane diol. That is what it is. Okay? Can you see it? I mean, I should put the E after the pentane. So it's 2,2-pentane diol, like this. Okay? This is the thing. So it is 4-bromo and then 2,2. This is pentane diol. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so when there are two alcohols, we say it's a diol. And that is going to be the name. Now we do number C, which is the last one, which we are very, very good at, right? We know that we have this, this, and this. We know that the priority is Heckner, okay? Halogens, this chlorine is a halogen. So it is well below hydroxyl. Hydroxyl is OH. Then this is halogen, which is chlorine, bromine, iodine, right? So this is well below. So of course, we start numbering with the OH. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So it's going to be now when we label what comes first. Of course, whenever you have an OH, that thing is going to be a phenol. If you have an OH on a benzene ring, because it's the most powerful one, that means it's the one that takes the name. So it's going to be a phenol. So this is chloro. So this is going to be 3-chloro, and then you can say 1-phenol. Okay, phenol. Or you can just say 3-chlorophenol, or you could just say the position 1, 3. We know it's meter. Remember, ortho is 1, 2, meter is 1, 3. So you can say this is going to be meter. Then you say chlorophenol. Okay, M then chlorophenol. This is going to be this guy again, and you would be done. If they say IUPAC specifically, then you have to take this one. But if they just say the name, then you could also use this. Okay, now that is it. And you are done with this one. We can go on to the next. Goodbye for now.